Don't make boring slides. Today, I am showing you a simple but impressive morph animation that lets you showcase 5 different picture items in a fun and attention-grabbing way. You can use this technique for birds, flowers, body parts, countries, or any set of 5 visuals you want your students to remember. Let's build it from scratch. I have already inserted 5 pictures on the slide. Select each picture, go to picture format, crop to shape and choose oval. Open the 3D rotation preset and pick the off-axis style. Then open 3D format, choose a bevel and increase the depth to give that 3D disc look. Draw a rectangle, remove the outline, fill it with green color and then send it to back. This makes the disc appear as if they are resting on the surface. Place all 5 images at the bottom of your slide. These will act as floor from which your items will raise during the animation. Use align and distribute them evenly. Duplicate the slide. Select the first picture and set 3D rotation to no rotation. Add your subtitle and a short explanation below it. Then go to transition, apply the morph transition. Duplicate the slide again, rotate the first picture back to the off-axis angle and move it to the right corner. Select the second picture, set the rotation to no rotation and update the label and explanation. Duplicate, rotate picture 2 back to off-axis. Select picture 3, set it to no rotation and update the information. Duplicate, rotate picture 3 back to off-axis. Select picture 4, set it to no rotation and update the details. Duplicate, rotate picture 4 to off-axis. Select picture 5, set it to no rotation and add the final label and explanation. Go back to the first slide, start the slideshow and watch how each item rises and reveals itself smoothly using Morph. And that's it. Using just cropping and 3D formatting and Morph, you have created a clean, progressive animation that makes 5 visuals feels dynamic and memorable. If these tutorials help you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and tell me in the comments which animation you want to learn next.